Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making garlic bread. The first thing I'm going to do is add butter into my bowl, garlic, one teaspoon of mixed herbs, I'm now going to take 2 slices of bread and butter on my garlic paste. The other way I like to make my garlic bread is by taking a French baguette and cutting down as if you were going to cut it into circles, but not all the way through across the baguette. I'm now going to take my garlic butter and spread it inside each of my cups. You can make your garlic paste to the taste you want, but if you want to follow along with this recipe, I will leave the ingredients in the description down below. I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees. I'm now going to bake my garlic bread in the centre of the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.